We asked lawyers what advice they'd give to new attorneys just starting out. Here's what they said.
My advice for a young attorney would be find a mentor, and probably a good idea to learn the rules of evidence.
Make sure that you really get good experience. I would recommend starting with a law firm. I know it's a difficult time in the economy right now, and it's difficult to find jobs with law firms, but I would really work as hard as you could to get a job with a law firm, because that gives you a really good grounding and experience.
Well, a new attorney needs to, at the very beginning, commit themselves to public service in the way of pro bono, to make sure that they set aside a part of their legal life to helping others, because lawyers have unique skills that are not available to everybody. There are so many unrepresented people that doing pro bono work is going to be the most important thing you can do, in addition to serving your clients well.
It's important. In the long run, developing your level of competence as an attorney is important, but finding the time to balance that with the rest of your life is also just as important.
Well, if you're interested in engaging in a practice that involves litigation, it would be very helpful if you spent 2 or 3, maybe even 4 days just sitting in a public courtroom while court's in session, watching how the judge and the attorneys interact and how they take their cues from the judge, and just generally absorbing the courtroom decorum, because that's important to not only know what to say, but how to say it and when.
On Law gives a free service for all new attorneys for a whole year. And they mean it. It is free, and it's for a whole year. And it's every basic section.
Community and join local bar associations. There's always a young lawyer group in the local bar associations. Join the Inns of Court. Take every opportunity to get into mixers and interprofessional mixer organizations, and to just be present as much as possible in introducing yourselves to judges, lawyers, and other business professionals in the area where you would like to set up a practice.
Well, as I've been in solo practice for my entire career, my advice would be to take this as a business and really set up your finances in a responsible way. Keep 25% out for your retirement and savings, 25% out for tax funds so you never get behind. Always pay your quarterlies, and keep your expenses low.
Great advice.
Getting started in your legal career is exciting and challenging. CEB can help. Check out our offers for new lawyers at CEB.com. Get On Law, CEB's complete online library, free for a full year. Books and forms, 25 to 50% off. Get a CLE program for $200 off. CEB has an award-winning blog, a useful Twitter feed, retweet case summaries, and law alerts to keep you up to date on California law. Go to ceb.com/new-lawyers to find out more.